Hello friends, this is Manuel Amunatigi from the ViralML Show. I am really excited to announce that my latest book, the MVP Lightstack Field Guide, is finally out. But before you rush to Amazon, watch this video as I'll show you a better way to get it in a minute. This book is about getting your presence, your smart presence, out onto the internet as quickly, as easily, and as cheaply as possible. So obviously we're not talking about any type of presence, we're talking about smart presence. And this means that you retain full control over your content at all times. You retain control over the backend, the web serving engine, basically the whole experience, the whole process is always in your control. And that's very important as it'll allow you to quickly tackle simple projects like adding a landing page with two-way communication so visitors can easily contact you, all the way to building data and machine learning driven online powerhouses. So I'll show you how to how to build landing pages using great HTML5 templates that will give you that instant professional look for free. I'll show you how to add contact forms, message groups, to build that community. I'll show you how to use Google Analytics, do search engine optimization, how to index your pages properly. And for those who feel that Google Analytics is a little too much, a little too unruly, we'll even build a pixel tracker from scratch so you can create your own fully customized reports on who are your visitors and what of your content they prefer. We'll kick it up a few notches. We'll introduce Flask so we can serve dynamic Python-driven content. We'll look at dynamic charts using Matplotlib and Chart.js and also Google Maps. Great tools. We'll look at adding Stripe payments and subscription buttons. That can be done in minutes. It's really cool. And finally, we'll tackle 2 case studies to get your ideas all the way into the hands of the world by creating fully interactive web applications and using simple and intuitive UIs. So as Bruce Lee would say, it's not the daily increase, but the daily decrease. Hack away at the unessential. I'll help you to get your vision online by ruthlessly chipping away at your ideas till we get to the core, the essential of what you want to share to the world, and translate that leftover, the Python code, the statistics, the modeling, all that stuff into the Esperanto of UIs, basically, the web. Basically, we want to make sure that there's nothing that distracts, your visitors from your core message. As you know, the majority of the world knows how to use, drop downs, sliders, they know how to select images, so you really want to tap into that, you really want to leverage that, and that's what we want our UIs to look like. So, if you need a smart presence to get your ideas out into the hands of the world, or a platform to share, your thoughts, or, you're starting a business, a startup, or you're starting 10 startups, this book is for you. Like I said, even though it's available on Amazon, you can put my first and last name on Amazon, you'll see it, and there it is. The better way to do it, to get it, is through at viralml.com, through the Entrepreneur School. So go to viralml.com, go to School, click School. And my school has 3 tracks currently: the machine learning track, the market analysis track, and the entrepreneur track. This is the one you want to click on. So click on there. Not only will you get a lot more information about all the courses. The first one is Launch Fast, and this is the one where you get this ebook. The ebooks are sent out on the 5th week. There's another course in this track is Grow Your Web Brand, and then you also get an ebook sent out on the 5th week, where we talk about building online communities organically. And finally, the last class is called Build. And this is a lot of fun as we get to build. We start from an idea, we're basically building a quote-based sentiment web application, and we get to release it all the way to the internet on a mobile phone. So it looks just like a Google App Store or the Apple Play Store, but it's not. It's actually a simple web page. It just looks like a web application. And I'll show you how to build these. These are trivial to build, super easy to do, and they're optimized for the mobile phone, but they also work on on a normal computer. So here it is. You can check it out at motv.io. You'll have a working version, and here it is on Responsinator. This is what it looks like on a cell phone, and that's what we do here. And basically, this entrepreneur track will really teach you how to take your ideas and end up with a tangible, almost physical digital product that the entire world can enjoy. And simply, basically, we're translating all the complex UI, Jupyter Notebook stuff, Python code, statistics, machine learning, all that into simple, intuitive, UIs like this one, where even though underneath the hood, it's using a complex machine learning sentiment analysis-based engine that allows you to dial up lighter or darker quotes depending on your taste. So I hope you join me again. It's at viralml.com. So just click viralml.com at the school, click the school, and click the entrepreneur track and sign up here. There's a link to sign up for the classes, and I will send you the ebooks on the 5th week, but you have everything you need here. All these courses come with, huge amount of videos and Python code, so you'll have everything you need. And if for those who choose to get the ebooks directly from Amazon, you still have access to all the Jupyter Notebook extracts. The links are in the book.